Some of us, now only God know how much we don't lose for this market. See, traders they go through a lot. Oh, they go through a lot. As we they talk like this, as they talk like this, traders they for one place, one room like this, we say that they cry. Some day we be see that they think about their life. To say this, to say forest dey easy. Forest is not easy. Oh, forest not dey easy. I know say we dey do mistakes well. And why we dey lose? They say anything will make you lose for the market. Say now you be the problem. So check yourself, check why you did lose and all of that. But bro, you go sit down one day, you go dey think about your life, say, this one a good quality setup when I cash. I don't do my analysis finish. I take the trade. Now the trade still hit me hard before we start to dey move. Exactly the way I predict them. Or sometimes it go hit you hard, go start to dey drop. Maybe predict and say me buy, you start to dey drop. And plenty confirmation say this thing na buy. In fact, this thing itself don't even work for you before. But this time e no work. And all of this dey happen. You understand? You see the one wey be say you go take the trade finish, maybe before waka comot, you come back, the thing hit you hard, but you know the thing no drop, or maybe you predict am buy, the thing no drop, but e hit you hard because start to dey move to your direction the way you predict am maybe buy, the thing start to dey move to that direction. You know how that thing dey pain. You know how the thing dey pain abi? E dey pain. Now there is a mistake wey you go don do for that place, and the mistake e no go pass your risk. You don over tigh ten your essay to the ex ten t wey be say you no wan even allow the market to breathe again. They go use you as liquidity before they start to dey move. Now you go do the analysis finish, your setup dey correct. Now your analysis dey tell you say make you put your essay below. Now because of your capital, maybe your capital dey small, you go tigh ten the essay. Na why e go hit you hard. That is number one thing. The reason why some people dey lose, and me sef I be dey lose for this thing. Anything when I dey talk, na something when I don face before, and since I take correction, e no dey happen again. You understand? So give the market space to breathe. If e still come back to hit you out from that essay, that place where the essay supposed to be, then it's fine. Leave am. Another time you try again. E dey happen. What I tell you, e dey happen. So make sure say the place where be say your analysis tell you say make you put your essay, na then put your essay. If you know say you no fit risk am, no kukuma take the trade. Just leave the trade. If you know say na $15 you get for your account, and the trade they tell you say make you risk 15 or 12, and you no fit risk am, then leave the trade. Just simple as that. The second one is patience. See this market, patience na everything. Na patience go take $30 to $1K. No be rush. You understand? Ma give example. You go enter trade, you enter buy. As you enter the buy, maybe you have $15 capital. Then as you enter, the thing start to dey drop. You don dey lose $5. You don dey lose $6. You dey see am dey go. Now one spirit go come dey tell you say, bro, you no go close this thing. At least make you know say you still get some capital wey go take trade next time. The spirit go dey tell you say make you close am without losses. Say the market no dey move to your direction. Now if you no get mind, you come close that market. Now as you close the market, say you don save some capital wey be say you go take trade next time. Before you know, the market go start to dey move to that way wey you predict am to go. Now you don welcome emotions, frustration, everything you go cause dey scatter your brain. At this point, you no know wetin you dey do again. You come enter say, I must make my losses back. We are humans now. You come enter. As you enter, you go close again. Before you know it, money don reduce, and na some people go be like, man, just use the remaining one. Anything wey happen, happen. You just want, you go still blow comot. The thing wey remain for you to do be say nothing. Just lie down, make you sleep. Your village people, they no dey after you. Na you be the problem. Now example now, say the market dey move against you wey you get that $15 capital. Now the market dey move against you, ba, you did the right thing. For your analysis, everything is right. You know say where your essay supposed to be, na there e dey, and everything, like, you get all the confirmation to take that trade. Now if you get mind, go leave that market, close your MT5, you go do other things. You go see say the market go back the way you predict am, na so you go. But you need to play with your mind first. See this market, you go play with your mindset. The discipline is not here. It's not easy, but you need to learn how to be disciplined. Patience, everything. Now, maybe you predict the market now. Say if the market hit your TP, you be getting maybe $200 or $300 from that $15 where you get as your capital. If market can't really move well, you get the patience. You don't hit $200 or $300 profit. Like I said before, everything will be say at the talk. And something I don't experience. E get one time wey be say just few months back like that wey this thing happen to me. I did my analysis, everything. I know say everything dey right. Come take the trade. So I call long. As I buy on V25, the market start to dey move against me. And na $8 na it be my capital. Before you know, I don dey even lose $5. Before you know, $6 in losses. This spirit when I tell you say e go enter you, e enter me, tell me say make I close. Normally I wanted to close, but I say no, I did the right thing. So anything wey happen, may happen. I write that thing down till today because I no fit forget that day. I say anything wey happen, may happen. Wetin I do be say I just close MT5. 10 to 15 minutes, I go come back. As I come back, you see the movement high from $8. I don dey see like $40 already. As I see am, I no happy. You know why? The discipline no be here. I can't be like, must you discipline me this way before you start giving me this profit? The thing pay me. I was in profit, but the thing they see they pay me. But you know how much I raised this $8 to? Because this setup now, quality setup now cash. Before you know $200, 500 to cut everything short. I raised am to K dollars, not 1K, not 2K. If you watch my previous video when I say wait till say I deposit $8 and all of those things, no, just have to make that video short because the process fast like that. Wetin make me the money? Patience, the discipline. You see the reason why I tell you say now patience. I ain't go turn $30 for 1K does no be rush. You understand? No be rush. This is when I dey talk, no be days or just few hours. That is patience for you. There are some people wey be say they still dey pass through these stages wey they take dey lose because of this tightening of essay and you're not patient enough and you're not disciplined and all of those things. Man, I tell you something. All of us, we don't lose money. We don't lose money for this market. I know say you go don lose millions, but wetin I dey tell you be say just be consistent. Just be consistent. You know why? A day is coming wey be say only one setup alone, if you use and recover all the losses wey you don lost for the market so far, only one setup alone, if you give up na you lose. I no really see any reason why you wan even give up. You don lost money for this market. You know where e dey come from. Why you wan come give up at this time? Why you wan give up now? You know where e don come from? Keep going. I still dey talk to myself. Keep going. All of us, may we keep going. Not giving up. If you give up, now you lose. That is just a fact. Thanks for watching.